I'll hold. No, I will. Sorry. Good morning. My name is Dr. Dhaval. I'm the in charge of Blood Center, Manipal Hospital, Goa. Today, we are organizing a blood donation camp along with Bsnl Goa unit, and we are very thankful to Bsnl department for conducting the blood donation camp, because as everyone knows that blood is a very precious thing. Blood comes from blood donation only. Blood donation has many advantages, like when you donate blood, you get mini health checkup, your hemoglobin stays maintained, there are very less chances of cancer, and when you donate blood, your blood gets separated into blood components. So there are 4 blood components which we separate from blood, the donated blood, and all the components can be used for different type of patient conditions. So one blood donation can save life of 4 people, and most importantly, there is no alternative source of blood. So please keep on donating blood. Thank you.
Yes. Hello, I'm Deputy General Manager Bsnl. Till date, people have seen that Bsnl is always in the forefront when any national disasters takes place all over the country. In terms of telecom services, Bsnl always been there to help the people and to serve for the nation. To take these services forward, the Goa Bsnl unit has decided to arrange a blood donation camp, and we have made awareness among all our peoples all over the Goa, right from Pernem to Konkani. We have almost around 140 people, and we are expecting almost 40 to 50 people today to participate in this blood donation camp. We are also thankful for Manipal Hospital for arranging this and giving us the opportunity to conduct this blood camp. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.